75 years ago, in a small laboratory, a man sat late into the night checking reports himself. That man was Dr. Lal. There were no massive laboratories then. No automated machines. No nationwide network. No glamorous healthcare industry. Just one doctor. One laboratory. And a belief that accurate diagnosis could save lives. In those days, the laboratory saw barely 60 patients a day. But even that was not easy. India's diagnostic industry was still in its infancy. People were not aware of preventive health care. Skilled technicians were difficult to find. Most patients trusted doctors, but not laboratories. Every report was a test of trust. Dr. Lal personally reviewed results, built relationships with doctors, and slowly earned credibility, one patient at a time. For nearly 20 years, he carried the business almost single-handedly. Then came the next chapter. Dr. Arvind Lal didn't just inherit a laboratory, he inherited a responsibility. He saw India changing. Lifestyle diseases were rising. Healthcare was evolving. And diagnostics could no longer remain reactive. So he introduced specialized and preventive health tests like thyroid profiles and lipid profile testing, long before preventive healthcare became mainstream in India. It was a bold move. People who once visited labs only during illness slowly began visiting for health awareness and early detection. And the numbers started changing. From 60 patients a day to nearly 1,500 patients daily. But success brought new battles. How do you maintain quality across expanding labs? How do you build a trusted network in a country as vast as India? How do you find skilled technicians when the industry itself is still developing? How do you stay ahead when competition starts growing rapidly? Many companies entered diagnostics. But trust cannot be built overnight. That became the biggest strength of Dr. Lal Pathlabs. As the organization expanded, the family took another visionary decision, transforming a family-run laboratory into a professionally managed corporate healthcare institution. Dr. Om Manchanda played a crucial role in scaling operations, strengthening systems, and driving national expansion. Today, Shankha Banerjee leads the next era of transformation. Even now, the company's strongest roots remain in North India, where generations of families continue to trust the brand. But the vision has become much larger. Today the focus is on building stronger diagnostic networks, expanding through organic and inorganic growth, improving technology and operational efficiency, expanding deeper into South and West India, creating a future-ready healthcare ecosystem. From one small laboratory to one of India's #1 diagnostic brands. This is not just a business story. It is a story of patience when growth was slow, courage when awareness was low, persistence when skilled talent was scarce, and trust that survived every wave of competition. 75 years later, the legacy continues. Not because they built laboratories, but because they built belief.